I'm Harris Faulkner, and with me here in studio are Fox News Channel contributors Doug Schoen, Pat Goodell, and Ed Rollins. Let's just jump right in, gentlemen. This has turned out to be a pretty interesting situation. We had 38 minutes go by with only one question for Ron Paul. And Pat, it was you who said, I thought this guy came in second.
That's what I do. I thought he came in second in New Hampshire and effectively second to the tie in Iowa. So people like fairness, and they were jumping off your Twitter like crazy.
Yeah, I mean, everybody was talking.
I think they finally caught up with it down there in Myrtle Beach. But.
Well, and they talked with Ron Paul about military. Guy S. Zeno says on my Twitter page, at Harris Faulkner, if you want to tweet me, Ron Paul's answer on military spending was right on, the sanest on the issue. And I heard you say, Ed, red meat.
Well, red meat, we're now into substance. We're not into get-you politics, and we're now basically, that was an extraordinary performance by Newt Gingrich there in the end, defending his positions and his beliefs. And I think to a certain extent, that's going to help him. That's going to help him here in South Carolina. This is a Republican state. Conservatives, they want basically people to stand up to the liberals, and I think he did a great job. I think we've had a lot of substance tonight.
I want to go back to Ron Paul for just a second, though, because and you're absolutely right, Pat. I mean, Twitter and the live chat were on fire. People were actually angry because they felt like Ron Paul didn't get his due diligence in terms of the questions, and I'll ask our reporter who's going to join us from Wall Street Journal more about this. But in your estimation, Doug, what's going on here? He's down on the end. Physically, he's not in the center of
Harris,
things.
there are two things going on. Ron Paul has the most excited, energized constituent supporters nationally. Point Pat made, he's absolutely right. But there's a but, Harris. While they're excited, they are not numerous enough, at least from what I could see in South Carolina, to win this primary. Newt is within 4